A retail business owner looking to offer buy now pay later directly at your point of sale? In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to set up Klarna for in-store payments. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Integrating Klarna at your physical checkout, or POS, makes it easy for customers to use pay in full or financing, which can boost your average order value. The process starts by contacting Klarna's sales team or visiting their business website to apply for a merchant account. You'll need to provide standard business details for underwriting. Once approved, Klarna will work with you and your POS system provider to enable the integration. Many modern POS systems, like Square, Clover, and Lightspeed, have pre-built integrations or apps for Klarna. Your staff will then see Klarna as a payment option on the POS terminal. To process a transaction, they simply select Klarna, and the customer uses their phone to scan a QR code on the screen to complete the payment through their own Klarna app. A crucial pro tip: train your staff on how the process works. The customer experience is seamless, but your team should be able to explain the basics of how to pay with Klarna to encourage adoption. Promote that you offer Klarna with clear signage at the register. And just like that, you've future-proofed your checkout and appealed to a broader, modern customer base. Offering payment flexibility is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for retail. Are you a business owner considering BNPL at your store? Ask your questions in the comments. This concludes our Klarna series for now. Thanks for watching.